This is episode 2 of completely obliterating and demolishing your terrible comments. This is episode 2 of completely obliterating and demolishing with your terrible comments this poor old laptop. This is a series where you tell me what to do, and I do it. To the laptop. So the comment I'm going to be doing, it says, boot into a live Linux USB. In the C drive root, create 2 folders in the same place named folder weird symbol and folder weird symbol. Reboot and watch the chaos. So I already made Linux USB, so let's do that and see if it works. Okay, so I have the Linux stick in right here. This is what ChatGPT told me to do. I'm gonna restart. Wait, you're telling me it just was restarting for so long that it just, the screen turned up? Oh my god. Okay. Trying again. No. Okay, let me press F9. Okay. So I guess I just do this. What am I supposed to type? Oh wait, you can't see that. Why can't you see that? Okay, there we go. It worked. It finished. Folder. Create. And it said after you do that. Looks like everything's working normally. I don't see much chaos. Well, it appears that this trick is impossible because modern Linux systems don't let you create these folders in the Windows places for like security reasons or whatever. Folder trick was fun, but this laptop is still crazy slow. So let's install Linux. So sorry, Linux. Leo's gonna take a giant bite of it. Leo, how was it? Since we've already gotten a head start with that comment of doing the next part, I'm installing Linux so that this thing will run better. So let's do that. Welcome to Linux Mint. Welcome to your new operating system. Let's go, blah blah blah. So yeah, we have Linux Mint now. And it's different from Windows, but it's cool. So yeah, we have Linux now. What should we do next? There was another common suggestion thing, but I couldn't do it since I don't own the game Knockoff. Great comment though. I would have loved to do it. It would have been so funny. Please comment your suggestions for what I should do next week. I mean, like, this time I only had 2 suggestions, which I guess is a lot, but also, I can't pronounce anything. I don't know how that's related. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, and stay something.